Hello YouTube. I'm just out again at a mine over towards the reef area. The mine is actually that way. I've not been in this one before and I couldn't even tell you what it's called. So if you like the video, give it a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching. A bit low. Right, I'll start the video up when I get further down. Right, so just down from the entrance it comes to a split, so take the right passage first. Keep checking these walls for graffiti, but I'm not seeing any just yet. So let's come to another split. We go right, forward. That looks like a collapsed shaft, maybe. Come back and go that way, but I'll continue this way for now. Get a picture of this on the way back, I think. Found some graffiti here, 1941, but don't know how legit that is. Something else there, but I can't make it out. So this passageway seems well travelled, so a lot of people must know about this one. But if you know the name of the mine, don't put it in the comments. Cheers. Sorry if the camera's wobbly, I'm on my hands and knees. Don't know whether that's a timber. Yeah, I should have went through with my bag off. Right, so I'm back at this section. So I'm going to go that way now. God, that's not, I've got foggy. This looks different to the other passage. Right, so this is up there. Does it go back down? No. Don't fancy trekking down there on my Todd. No, turn back. That's obviously, you can see the roof is dodgy in here. Balls. So I'm going to make my way out now, check a couple of those passengers on the way back, so see what we get on. Right, so I was just about to go home and there's this one on the way home, so I thought I'd give this one a check out. Yeah, again, I don't know what this one's called, so if anyone knows, please don't put it in the comments. It's a bit of a wet one. So the water in here was originally higher, and might be from them floods that we had. You see the water line? Not far into this mine, goes straight to shale. That's the way out. So where I'm going. We've just gone in a straight line at the minute, but the tracks are still in. Wow. Back to water. Nightmare. Knee height as well. Looks a bit much. No, it just gets even worse. Right, so I'll end that video there. I'm not going through there on my own. It's about 1.5 foot high, and it goes on for at least 10 meters that I can see through there, so I won't be going there, but we'll come back and go through there. So if you like the video, give it a like, subscribe, and thank you very much for watching, everybody.